Kids TV, this is Simaprit Kaur. As we all know that Diwali is around the corner, we are here with kids of Government Elementary School, Tharu. Let's talk to them and see how excited they are about this festival. Welcome to our school. Thank you. Happy Diwali to you.
Thank you.
Happy Green Diwali to you. First of all, as you have written here, Green Diwali, I am new to this concept. What exactly Green Diwali is? Okay, I will explain this. Green Diwali is a way of celebration with minimum damage to the environment.
As the Supreme Court has limited the time of fireworks from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m., only green crackers would be allowed for sale and use. The sale would be through licensed traders.
Although green crackers are allowed, which are of low emission or environment friendly, but still, we are not in favor of bursting crackers. The Eco Club of our school, Green Defenders, has started an anti-cracker campaign. We are here with a message to the kids of our generation. Say no to crackers. Diwali without crackers, is it possible?
Yes, we students of this school have taken the pledge not to burst crackers this Diwali. If we can do it, why don't others? I completely agree with it. We are just changing the ways to celebrate this festival.
What is the motive of your campaign?
Well, as pollution is increasing day by day, we want to encourage youngsters to stop using crackers. People are suffering a lot due to loud noises. There are many ways to celebrate it. We can make sweets at home, distribute it, can visit relatives. We can light earthen diyas, make rangolis, and decorate our homes. We can also donate to the poor. So I burst these crackers.
Do you think people will follow your word?
Let's say no. It is very difficult for the people to follow in the beginning, but there are also people who want a change to save their environment only. Busting of cracker is not happiness.
Sharing sweets, sharing health is happiness.
If we can say no to crackers first, then let's go for it.
Let's pledge to go green and stop acting mean.
Let's just not burn crackers this Diwali.
This Diwali, no crackers.
This Diwali, green Diwali.
This Diwali, have a safe Diwali.
Let's be the change we want.